Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Telegram, your phone number might be visible to people you don't know. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your phone number from people on Telegram. Let's fix this in a couple of minutes. First, open your Telegram application and go to your settings. Under settings, tap on privacy and security. And under privacy and security, scroll down and select phone number. Here you can see who can see my phone number. So under that option, choose nobody. Once you choose nobody, you will see this option, who can find me by phone number. Choose my contact. If you choose my contact, you can have option here to add exceptions under your contact, who can find you with phone number or who cannot find you with phone number. So once you are done, your phone number will be hidden from people in the public. Now, how can people in the public find you on Telegram? That is where username comes in handy. So in order for you to set a username for your Telegram, go to your main settings and tap on account. Here you're going to see username. Tap on add username. Now, put in your username, your preferred username after t.me/. The username you choose must be available. For instance, I'm going to choose Take a Revealer here. So wait for Telegram to check for the username. Take a Revealer is available. So this is the link you send to people to find you on Telegram instead of giving them your phone number. And this is a very advanced privacy settings on Telegram. Also, keep it in mind that this only hides your phone number going forward. Anyone who already saved your phone number to his phone or device before you change the settings can still see your phone number. And also remember that your profile photo and username are still visible. And that's it, guys. Your phone number is now private and you have a safer way for people to reach out to you on Telegram. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides, and I'll see you in my next video.